Our first major winter storm of the year. How fittingly it comes on spring. The last time something like this happened in and around Baltimore was back in 1965, where we recorded over 4 inches of snow. So who ordered the snow? Today is the appetizer. Tomorrow, Wednesday, is the main course with heavy snow and sleet. 4 to 8 inches on the totals are likely. That's why a winter storm warning is in place for much of the area, highlighted here in pink all the way up to Philadelphia and New York City. Going to see problems tomorrow, dangerous travel concerns, and that's what we're seeing outside right now with slush building up on the roadways, some sleet, some snow, and some rain mixed in all together, but that will go downhill as 2 areas of low pressure get going out of the southern Ohio River and Tennessee River valleys. Those will head to the coast over the Outer Banks, and then up the coast they go to give us the big snow towards Wednesday. Temperatures outside right now fitting for frozen precipitation in and around freezing, into the 20s back towards the west with heavy snowpack already on the ground. 6 inches reported over towards Frostburg and Cumberland. Temperature trend over the next couple of hours holds us steady right around 30 degrees as more heavy snow develops and those treacherous travel concerns. Please do not travel really tomorrow morning. That snow will be heavy at times, poor visibility. The storm exits during the evening. We may see some improvements as the plows hit the roadways. Futurecast for you shows the snow, the sleet continuing through dinner and supper time tonight. This is the time maybe to get some of those things done if you need to get them done, because once we get past about 8, 9 o'clock tonight, that's when the snow picks up in intensity, and that's when things really go downhill around here, especially early Wednesday morning. That's the key timeline for the heaviest of the snow. You can see the darker shades of blue here showing up on Futurecast. All of this is out of here once we get past dinner time on your Wednesday, going towards the 11 o'clock newscast on Wednesday, and then Thursday we dry things out. So how much are we expecting? 6 to 10 inches plus north of the city, northern Baltimore County, northern Carroll County, northern Frederick County, 4 to 8 inches downtown, 3 to 6 inches south towards the district and over into portions of the southern shore. Commutercast impacts on Wednesday. In the morning, snow coverage on those roadways, slick and slushy conditions developing during the evening hours. Your 7-day forecast for you shows we dry things out Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Another storm system worth watching as we get towards late Saturday night into Sunday could produce some more rain and snow, and then we finally start to warm things up by the time we get towards the beginning of next week. Please play it safe out there. Snow, sleet, and rain all in the forecast over the next couple of hours ahead, with more snow in the forecast as we get towards your Wednesday. We'll have the details tonight here at 5 and 6.